Oh, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. For today's vlog guys, I am going to play hardcore Minecraft and I am going to try find a village and make a base and get full set of iron armor. Okay? So, I am going to select this hardcore like that. Okay. Look at that. Nam nam nam. I am going to show coordinates and show this place. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my brother called me. Okay, game. Okay. TNT blah 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 blah. Require sleeping all 100%. What each chunks, of course. Blah 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 blah. Okay, operator is I am just a member. Cheat is not enable. Okay. That's a little bit of mods. Cool Sky, RGD Bar, Passcraft, Clean UI, Custom Totem, blah 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 blah. Oh, guess not. Yan. Yan. I'm going to unactivate that. Yan 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 yan. Okay. So, let's go. Don't show me. Okay. I don't know. I'll be right back when it on. Okay? Okay, I'm here. Okay. Ooh, Cherry Blossom. If I didn't find a village here on this episode, I will try to find in next episode. Okay, I'm going to mine just a second. Blocks needed to empty. Is this good? Ayan, 57. Okay, let's go. I'm going to mine some wood. Sorry guys, I just got my throat is so hurt. My throat is hurting right now. Sorry guys for the okay, huh? What the fuck? Just a sec guys. I think I put the resource pack for auto enchant. Not here. Yeah, I put it. Okay, let's go. I'm going to be back. I am back. This thing I'm going to drop it because that's cheating. I'm going to make another one pickaxe. tour, guys. I am going to make more Donut SMP Donut SMP videos. I'm just going to play some, normal Minecraft, not server. For the next video, I, I'm going to play Donut SMP. My uploading is Monday to Sunday. So I'm going to upload this after I record this. So yeah, I'm just after I record this, I'm going to edit it and upload it. So like and subscribe for more videos. Furnace. First, I'm going to make a base here. For the new video, like okay. There's a zombie villager there. I'm going to drop him there. So I get. Oh shit. No, I will not die right now. This is just the first speed. Oh wow, there's a skeleton. Run. No. Yes, I will remind you. Okay, I'm back. My mother called me. So I stopped the video first. Oh, there's a bundle. I think my dad back. Yeah. They make we can make bundles now. I'm so tired. My mother wash me the dishes. Say that I need to wash these dishes or else I will not eat for 1 week. Bruh. How I cannot eat? Huh? How? I cannot eat. I cannot eat for 7 days, okay? Oh no, there's a fucking skeleton. Run! No! I almost die. Charcoal. Charcoal. Oh yeah, charcoal. I almost die. What the? Sorry for my brother. He is so ugly. He's so loud. 155. Okay. My brother. Question. What is that one? He is so dead now. Spawn trap. Not spawn trap. Guys, don't focus on the background sound. My family is celebrating right now, and I am recording. I think I am going to what is the date now? Saturday. I will not upload this in in Sunday. I am going to upload this in Saturday, right? No. I'm going to upload it. I thought is Sunday right now. So because I have my mother's birthday is Sunday, so I am recording in Saturday. Okay, I'm going right back to after the night. Okay, here I am going to on the texture pack. Is that resource pack or texture? I mean the hair bar. I have 11. Here. Full night vision available. Nothing. Okay, my full night vision is on, so let's go. Teeny fuck. By the way, I am from America and I am living from Philippines. So I am mostly good at Tagalog because I live here like 4 years. So my English is not really good. I forget how. Let's get out here. We're here. Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh. It's not night anymore. How? Look at that. I didn't cheat. Slash game mode. See? No, I don't have. Oh, okay. Just are enabled in this one. So, what? Oh, the current. Oh my goodness. Oh, Greg. Uh, ah. Run. I'm just going to run. And there's a creeper. Run! Let's go! Run away. Go round away. Round away. Run away. Run away. Run away. You will die if you didn't run away. I am going to search for a good spot to make a base. Search. Mining wood for a base. I need the base for a base. I need the base. Because if I didn't make the base, I will die from the mobs. Because this is just first episode. So be careful for the mob. I'm just going to get one stack of this cherry blossom. Oh, this cherry blossom would lag I mean. Oh
Where this is just the first episode.
Bruh. How did I die there? This just first episode. Bruh. This is Cap. What the? Here, I died here, right? Not here? So where? Did I die? Bruh. Where did I die? Here, not here. Oh yeah. Not here? Eh? Let's see. I think here. Yeah, here. Look at my stuff. Bruh. I'm jumping here. And I need to just go here. Here. I just need to go here. But I didn't jump. I just walk and die. First episode. Okay, bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Find a village X. Make a base X. Make full set of iron armor X.
And
I think I messed up the recording, so sorry, guys.
full set of armor. Sorry guys. I think I am really suck at Minecraft, okay? But I'm going to still upload this, okay? Bye guys.
Like and subscribe for more not good vid. Bye.
Thank you for watching.